I want something light and summery, and I've only got 40 minutes. This week I'm cooking a fillet of salmon glazed with lime, honey and chili, and I'm accompanying it with the most amazing from scratch coconut and cumin rice pilaf. Hey everyone, how's it going? Good to see you. It's summertime here in Worcestershire and everything's blooming, and I'd like to cook something rather summery. So welcome back to my channel, Chef Archie's Easy Recipes, and thank you for joining me for today's video presentation. It's about a simple piece of salmon cooked in the air fryer for about 15 minutes with 3 or 4 sauce ingredients mixed together. You couldn't get it easier. But for me, the highlight of today is this amazing rice dish that I've cooked. It's a PILAF, which means we're going to cook the rice from scratch, and it's going to produce perfect separate grains in around 30 minutes. We're going to cook it with coconut and cumin and garlic and ginger, and it's one of the best pilafs I think I've ever cooked. And it complements this salmon dish absolutely perfectly. Right then, should we get cracking and see exactly, well, how easy is this going to be? So first of all, I'm going to wash my basmati rice under the cold tap. I don't know, wash it for about 3 or 4 minutes and then just let it sit there for 10 minutes to drain while we get on with the other jobs. Okay, I've got a little pot here. I'm going to make the sauce for my salmon. I've got some lime zest with some lime juice. And now I'm going to add some honey. Any honey is fine. Right, some Thai Sriracha chili sauce. I'm sure other chili sauces are okay. I like this one because it's not too heavy on spice. Mix everything together really well. It'll only take you about a minute. And once you have, get yourself some nice baking paper on a silver flat. Like you can see, I've got 2 really generous salmon steaks there. I've left the skin on. It's entirely up to you if you prefer it skinless. And this is how easy it is. Just drown the salmon in that fabulous sauce. And yes, there's a lot of sauce, but we need it. You'll see why at the end, why we need all the sauce. That goes in the air fryer for about 15 minutes. In our pan, I've got some coconut oil, I've got some garlic, I've got some ginger, and I've got some cumin seeds. I'm going to cook that up for about 5 to 7 minutes until the cumin seeds start to pop and the garlic and ginger softens nicely. Now I'm going to add a handful of finely chopped onions. Stir that round for another 3 or 4 minutes. Add the rice that's been sitting for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to stir the rice on a low heat for no less than 10 minutes. Don't forget to put the lime zest in, somebody said, and a little bit of salt and sugar. Right. In 10 minutes, that's going to start to go a little bit brown and toasty. The reason we're going to give it 10 minutes is because what we're doing now, we're separating the grains of rice before we add the liquids. 10 minutes later, in with some nice quality chicken stock. Sizzle, sizzle. And now we're going to add a whole can or tin of coconut milk. That goes in as well. Right, bring that to a rapid simmer. Give it a stir. Everything needs to be mixed around really, really well. And by the time you've stirred it, it should be bubbling around the outside. Tells you that everything's started. Now, turn the heat right down to minimum low and leave it alone for 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes is up, take the heat off. Have a little look at it, just to make sure everything's all right. By all means, you can just run the fork through it just once though. And now put the lid back on, switch it off and forget about it for 10 minutes. Now we're talking. How about that? That's the benefits of cooking that rice in the beginning. Look at them, separate grains. Absolutely perfect. Let's plate the food up. The salmon's ready, by the way. I've got a wonderful bed of my coconut and cumin pilaf. There's the fillet of salmon. And this is where we need a fair amount of sauce. So I'll need about 3 to 4 tablespoons of sauce to go over that salmon. We don't want to overdo the sauce, but we still need enough so that we know it's part of the dish when we're eating it. It really is absolutely spectacular. It's my fillet of salmon glazed with chili, honey and lime, everybody. And don't forget the fabulous coconut and cumin rice pilaf. A chunk of lime goes on there and it's ready to serve. Don't forget, everyone, subscribe if you haven't already. Please smash the like button, it's huge for us. Thanks for watching the video. Share this with your friends and let me know in the comments section what you think about this dish. I'm going to get stuck in, I'm starving.